A number of historical women can be immediately be called to mind if people were asked about famous feminists in history. During the Dark Ages in Europe, almost no one went to school. Even the most nobility were illiterate. Even in the 13th century, the issue of feminism was already a hot topic. In Serbia, Helen of Anjou, who was the wife of King Stefan Uroš I, established women's schools to educate the women in their kingdom. She was behind the establishment of the first girls' school during the medieval times in Serbia, and also in the building of libraries and monasteries. You can imagine people's shock when Helen, who was then the queen of several regions of modern Serbia, established a girls only school. Helen of Anjou was a wife of the Serbian king Stefan Uroš I, who reigned from 1243 until 1276, and the mother of the kings Dragutin and Milutin. Her palace was on the rims of today's Kosovo in a place called Brnjak, or Brnjaci as well. There Helen founded the first women's school in Serbia, where girls were taught the hand of craftsmanship, and then, after finishing their education, Queen provided them with a dowry as an incentive. It was the first specialized school not only in Serbia, but in the whole Europe. Legend says that 3 years after her death, she appeared in one of the monks' dreams. So when they opened her tomb, her body was found whole and preserved, like in a dew. Since that 1317, she is celebrated as a saint in Gregorian calendar. Her first hagiography was written by a chronicler, the Serbian Archbishop Danilo II, making it the first hagiography of a Serbian queen consort who was canonized.